and you attach it here. Tapos they also I don't know how much this would cost. The small one, 1, 2, 3 battery for extended operating. Fans come in 3 sizes. Hey guys, good afternoon. So I'm at PhilConstruct 2022, November 6, 2022, and I'm at the Makita booth, no? So my intent here is to actually just showcase what Makita has to offer for the outdoor lifestyle people. Basically this is worksite specific, but this is parang jacket, pero the unique thing about this, it has a parang fan sa likod, so you could keep yourself cool siguro outdoors. And these are just reflectorized safety safety jackets, but also meron ding vent type. How much does this cost, if you ask? One sample is 8,896. So I don't know how to, if you're interested, how to contact them, but just search for Makita. Another thing, you have itong parang kettle. Of course, these are powered with Makita batteries, 36 batteries, so you would require two 18 volts, and you attach it here. Tapos they also have yan nga, coffee maker. I don't know if you could put beans siguro dito, or it's just the, I think that's the water there. Pero basically you could search for YouTube for the mga specs and features of this. Meron din sila dito astig. This is a what, charger, power station ata, Bluetooth power station. Looks like a power station pero mukhang lang siya, yung parang tawag Bluetooth speaker. Likewise, you have Bluetooth speaker here. It actually looks nice. I don't know how much this would cost. Now the small one is also 8,840. So parang mga figures na nasa 8,000. They don't offer anything for yung camping aesthetic na ilaw. But yeah, basically just coffee maker, kettle, battery powered kettle, and then Bluetooth speaker. At this at this corner naman, okay, excuse me, this corner you have the refs. This one's the biggest. I don't know how many liters dito, pero they say this is 30,000. Okay siya because you could use batteries na Makita. 30,000 excluding the batteries pa. You have the small one, of course. Sir, how many liters? Ito 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, mga 6 na Sarsi slim cans. So dito mo ilalagay ang 18 volts na battery. I don't know if some models have additional battery for extended operating time. This one's another Makita product. This is a fan. Tapos pwede mo ilagay din yung battery dito. Okay. I don't have the specific details. This one costs 4,760. So the fans come in 3 sizes, 1, 2, and 3. That one. Whereas the portable fridge also, this one, and this one. Okay siya. 30,000. This one's 29,000. Almost the same price. So that's about it, Makita. Basically, it's what Makita has to offer for the outdoor enthusiast. So I wouldn't cover anything else dito sa PhilConstruct. Tingin ko ito lang yung nag-o-offer ng mga camping outdoor equipment. So thanks for the time, and see you guys for the next upload.